Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, the gold price now trading at a level of 2789.5 to $5. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances are very high it can move a further upside movement. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, I have clearly explained you that it will go towards a level of 2800. Okay, and you can trail your SL by $7 if the volatility is high, or by $5 if the volatility is low. Okay, and what you can see, you can book your profit and the probability of upside will be on a higher side. Overall trend is high side. Okay, and if you now look at this, if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside we can see, but whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a fall comes because the profit booking come at these levels. Okay, and what if you look at this particular trend, if the price started going upside, trail your SL by $7 or $5 when the volatility is less. Okay, and what we have seen that it is after breaking out this range, we have seen that it moves towards an upside, and if the price keep moving off this level, a further upside movement we can see. Looking at this particular chart, chances are high that we can see if you look at this trend, a U pattern has formed. Okay, and this similar pattern has been formed for around, you can say, for 8 5 10 years. Okay, this is the 12-year pattern, a bigger pattern, and then after that these are 2 years pattern and a smaller few months pattern. And chances will be high that we can see there will be a further upside movement. So keep trailing your SL by $7 or $5, and then you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, looking at this particular chart, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, looking at the dollar index, if you look at this particular trend, I've clearly told you that if the price started going above a level of $102.2, we can see there will be upside movement, and now the price has already moved above this level, trading at a level of 104. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see if it started going above this level. Okay, but if the price started going above this level, what we can see, it can touch a level of $105.2, and from there a level of 106. Okay, and if it started going below this level, a level of 102, we can see there will be a fall, and chances can be high a further downfall we can see towards a level of 100, and then below a level of 100. Now I've told you that if the dollar has started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down. If the dollar started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. This is what we have seen. And now if the price started going upside, so you have to understand, when both the price started going upside, always try to put your SL when you start your trade, so your capital will be saved, and try to trail the SL so profit will be saved. Okay, now coming back on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, probability of going towards a level of 2800 will be there. Okay, and then to a level of 2820, and a probability of upside will be there. So I am telling you to trail your SL by $5 or $7 so that a upside movement you can capture. Okay, a probability of touching 2850 will also we can see if the price started going upside. But if it didn't sustain, when what we can see, it can come down again towards a level of 2753 if the price started going. What you have to understand that 2850 is high, what we can see if the price keep moving over this level. So trail your SL, but if the price didn't sustain, we can see a level of 2773 which is a strong support. But if started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2770, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $2753 as soon as the price started going below $2760. Okay, but if the price started falling below this level, a probability of touching 2746 will be there, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2739. Okay, and if the price started going below this level, a probability of touching 2721 will be there, and then if the price fall below that level, chance of touching 2716 will be there, then to a level of 2709, and then towards a level of 2700. Okay, then a probability of touching 2696 will be there, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can further fall. But 2696 is a bounce back we can see, but if it didn't sustain, then it can go towards $2689, and from there a further fall we can see towards 2685, and then it can move towards a level of $2659 after crossing a level of 2665. Okay, you have to understand, if the price started going below 2689, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail